Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Discord. So for you to turn off dark mode in Discord, here you can get it done. Just move your cursor right here, right in front of profile name, then click on the gear button, which is the user settings. You can see the gear button. And click on settings, then scroll down to the click on appearance. To do that, then right here you have an option to turn off dark mode. So then since you want to turn off dark mode, then the opposite of the dark mode light on. So as you turn off the dark mode, definitely then switch to the light mode on. You can simply use the synchronize button. So when you use the synchronize button to your computer, your computer can automatically generate the best mode that switches environment according to the time. So that's it. So I'm just going to use the dark light mode for now, since that's the opposite of the dark mode. Once turn off the dark mode, then definitely have to go back to light mode. Then once turn off the light mode, then go back to the dark mode, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.